Hey, if you've been wondering how to get the Adobe Creative Cloud, Adobe Lightroom, Photoshop, Premiere Pro, or any of the Adobe Creative Cloud apps for free, that was nice.
Yeah. We're going to go through all of that in just a couple of minutes.
Cool.
Cool. Hey guys, we are JD and Kyle. We are full-time wedding photographers by day, and we started doing stock photography and stock video as a side project recently. We started this YouTube channel with a way to be able to share that information with you. So if you are interested in learning more about stock photos and video, hit that subscribe button below, hit the bell icon if you would like to receive notifications.
Okay. So how can you get the Adobe Stock Creative Cloud for free, Jamie? I think there's a story here.
Yeah, so I woke up and I was logging into all of our stock photography platforms online. I was on my laptop, I was going through, and when I got to Adobe, there was a random message that flashed up at the top of my screen that I'd never seen before. It said, and actually I pulled it up here, but it says, reach 300 accepted assets in 2019 and receive a 1-year Creative Cloud plan from Adobe Stock.
Cool.
Learn more. I was like, what? 300 assets? I was like, that's crazy. We've already done that.
Cool.
Cool. At the time of seeing this message, I want to say for us, it was a couple weeks ago now.
Yeah.
We wanted to make this video sooner, but we've just been so busy. But yeah, so it is not too late. You guys still have the rest of 2019 to try to get your 1 free year of Adobe Creative Cloud or the Photographer's Plan if you guys are looking to get a free copy of Adobe Lightroom or Adobe Photoshop. We are not selling it. We are not profiting off of this. This is just a really cool thing that we use Adobe Creative Cloud products, and it's something that I'm sure a lot of our photographer friends use also. So if you guys are wanting to get it for free, this is how you do it. So I'm gonna click on the Learn More button.
Yes.
Okay, so you click on the Learn More link, and we'll actually link this in the description below.
Yeah.
But this is the Creative Cloud Contributor Bonus Frequently Asked Questions page. If you are signing up for an Adobe account for the first time, chances are it will probably flash up on your screen and it will show you this. Just in case it doesn't, check the link out below, and we're just gonna start going through what this says for the specifications of how to get your Creative Cloud for free.
Yeah.
So for photo and video, it's pretty similar, but basically they are gifting you a 1-year free subscription for the Adobe Creative Cloud Photography Plan. And to qualify, you only need 300 accepted photos during the period of January 1st to December 31st, 2019. To qualify, you also have to have or maintain a 50% acceptance rate or more.
Is that doable, Jamie? Is that possible to get those kind of numbers?
I absolutely think so, because we already did that.
Okay. Video is pretty much the same. You have to have 300 if you want to get the entire Adobe Creative Cloud suite.
So what does that mean? What is the entire Creative Cloud suite?
That means everything.
Premiere
you get
Pro,
Lightroom, you get Premiere Pro, you get
Photoshop,
Photoshop, you get Rush, yeah, all of them. You get all of their
everything,
stuff.
all of those things.
If you want to get all of them, you have to do basically the same thing, but with video. So you're uploading, they're looking for 300 video uploads within, I guess, between now and December 31st of this year. And you have to have your 50% acceptance rating.
Or more, or higher.
Or higher.
Yep, so that's super, super cool. We're gonna hit up some frequently asked questions. We're gonna scroll down on that page. And if you guys have more questions about this, again, check out the link in the description below.
Yeah.
You can check out their frequently asked questions page. It's gonna be a lot more in-depth and more in detail in what we're covering here today.
We're just gonna touch on a few highlights we thought were kind of interesting that popped out to us.
So when the little notification popped up for us, the little blurb that said, oh, you could get free Photoshop for a
Creative
year,
Cloud.
we had actually already met the criteria for the photography one.
Right.
And we didn't get an email. We didn't really have a promo code yet. We're wondering when it was gonna come in. So I checked out the frequently asked questions page, and it said it can take 6 to 8 weeks before, like once you actually meet their criteria, it can take 6 to 8 weeks for them to actually look at your account, analyze it, and then send you that email with the promo code for the 1 free year of the Photoshop and Lightroom Photographer's Plan.
One of our questions when we first got it was, okay, well, we already have Adobe Creative Cloud. We actually just purchased it recently.
The whole software
The whole Creative
suite,
Cloud, because it was on a special, and we just started doing the video, so we're like, cool, perfect timing. So one of our questions was, well, what happens if I already have an existing Creative Cloud membership? So basically, it looks like if you do have an existing membership, what happens is they will pause the membership.
If you're paying month to month.
If you're paying month to month, they will pause that. You will have your 1 year free Adobe Cloud subscription, and then your month to month will resume wherever it left off.
That's what it looks like based on the frequently asked questions.
Right. So if you already have it, you can still take advantage of this and get Creative Cloud for a year, which is what, like a $250 giveaway basically? It's around that?
It's more maybe.
It's
I
more
don't
than
know.
that?
I think full price is probably like $60 a month.
Right. Depending on what you buy it
Yeah.
for. If you get it on deal, it might be cheaper. But it's around like $250 a year plus just for submitting to Adobe Stock. We're crunching some numbers really quick.
Huh?
$720?
Is that right? $60 a month at 12 months a year.
Sounds like
$720.
So all right, if you are paying $60 a month for your Creative Cloud, then
That's $720
you could be
a
saving
year.
$720. That's pretty fantastic.
Yeah, that's amazing. Oh, if you are one of those people who actually ended up prepaying for your 1 year of the photographer's plan or the Creative Cloud plan, then what will happen, according to the frequently asked questions page, is that you will continue, like, so you've already paid for your year, but your free year that you're gonna get is gonna get tacked on at the end once your current year that you've prepaid for finishes, then you're gonna get your free year of the Creative Cloud, or the photographer's plan, or the full suite.
Sweet. Sounds like a deal to me.
Once you go ahead and qualify for your free year's worth of the photographer's plan or the full suite, then they will email you a code. It can take 6 to 8 weeks for that email to come in. We've already gotten the photographer's one and they've emailed us that photographer's code,
Yep.
but we just within the last I think 2 weeks or so just hit that 300 video upload milestone where we've had 300 videos uploaded and accepted. We still have yet to see that email with the redemption code for the full Creative Cloud suite. So be patient. It can take them a little minute to get you that.
Just a little minute.
Yeah. At the time of this, we are in October right now. So you guys have the rest of the month of October and November and December to try to hit these goals if you can do it. If you're starting out for the first time.
That's 3 months.
Three
can
months,
totally
two and
do
a
it in
half
3
months,
months because
depending on how long it takes us to get this edited and posted.
True. We will do this one quick.
Yeah.
Yeah. So is that doable? Can somebody get 300 videos, 300 photos uploaded in 3 months? Jamie, what do you think?
I'm gonna actually pull up our own stats and our own numbers on how long it took us to accomplish this. So we are brand new to stock photography. We started in June of 2019 for the first time. We did all of our research. We're stalking everyone on YouTube that currently talks about stock photo and stock video. So we started in June of 2019. Within our first month of posting to stock, for photos, we hit 384 photos on Adobe Stock in the very first month. And I mean, granted, I think we were trying. I think we were actually actively trying to submit that month.
Right.
We actually submitted more the first month than we have any month since then.
Right.
But I absolutely 100% think it's doable if you were brand new to stock and you're just getting started to try to at least get that photographer's plan for free.
Totally.
Video for us, we learned video brand new for the first time. We didn't know anything about video prior to a couple months ago, actually.
And that has been quite a journey. So we just learned video, and we've been learning how to edit and shoot and all this stuff. We got our little camera. Even brand new, getting our video up to 300, I think we were just below 300 at the 2-month mark. So it probably took us about 2.5 months to reach the 300 mark for video as well. So I would say that the video, even if you're brand new to it, it's totally doable to hit that 300 number if you want to get the full Creative Cloud full free.
Yeah. So again, Kyle was saying it did take us about probably officially 2.5 months before we hit that 300 mark. But if we knew that Adobe was doing this, and if we knew, hey, you can get free Creative Cloud, I think we really would have prioritized doing video a lot faster, probably more than photos, because once you get that free entire Creative Cloud suite, the photo plan is included in that anyway. Yeah, we didn't even have to get 300 images accepted. We could have just done 300 videos.
If you think about it this way, you probably already get Photoshop or Lightroom or Premiere, whatever you're using, you're probably already using several Adobe software anyway. So if you think about it, this is like a big, several $100 stock payout just for contributing to stock. So this is we could also say that this is our biggest stock sale, even though we're not technically selling something. It is a perk, and I think it's pretty cool because this is not something that I thought would have happened when we first started stock. like, oh, if we do stock,
Yeah.
we're gonna get free software. So to me, this is just another really cool bonus.
Yeah, it's a really, really nice bonus. And actually, if you guys follow along in any of our monthly earning income reports, you'll actually know that we've actually lost money doing stock photography and stock video.
So far.
With all of our expenses that we've accrued with buying stuff to try to do stock. So I think the fact that Adobe is giving us this for free to give us a full year, we're definitely like, we're at least broken even at this point. Like so we can do Adobe. We can do stock photos and stock video for free, and it's not going to cost us money.
Yeah, so that's nice.
Yeah.
Cool, that was nice.
Yeah. Cool. Question for you guys. Are you guys already on Adobe Stock? Has anyone actually already qualified for this? And if you have, how long has it taken you to get this credited to your account?
Yeah, let us know.
If you guys found value in this video, please hit that like button, hit that thumbs up, and
Goodbye.
we need a good exit. Bye guys, see you next time.
Bye. And that's how the cookie crumbles.
That's a bad thing.
Is
That's like a bad thing.
Oh.
Yeah.
Should we
Cookies
just...
crumbling are a bad thing. Now we need to pose.